I, Dr. Rajesh Gobinathan, take this as my pleasure to be the master of ceremony of this evening's program. I welcome you all to Alva's Virasat 2009, an incredible festival of time-honored art and music celebrated once a year in this enthralling wonderland of Shobhavana. This festival is a heartthrob of a great futurist, Dr. Mohan Alva, the chairman of Alva's Education Foundation. A magical spell will be bestowed on the thousands who converge here in this heavenly village of Mejar to share the joy of live concerts by rare performers of world repute. I appeal our much loved chairman to accompany the guest of honor, Shri Mandaba Prabhakara Upadhyaya. Shri Mandaba Prabhakara Upadhyaya. He is the only solo Yakshagana artist in Karnataka who has given nearly 1,000 solo performances. Recently, he has given a 7-day performance in Murabadri for Alvas. Now he is lighting the lamp to signify the commencement of this twilight's musical extravaganza. Honorable ladies and gentlemen, now the brightest stars of Indian music will be received by the host, Dr. Mohan Alva, in full ceremony. Arati and other colorful performances add poise and splendor to the occasion. Now it's my honor to introduce the artist, Ustad Shahid Parvez. Ustad Shahid Parvez hails from the famous lineage of Ittawa tradition. He was initiated into music by his father, Ustad Aziz Khan. He very soon made a name for himself as a young performer. His first public sitar recital was at the age of 8. Ustad Shahid Parvez received training in vocal music, tabla and sitar, and quickly established himself as a major attraction in the Indian classical concert circuit. Today, he is acknowledged by stars like Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Vilayat Khan as one of the finest sitar players. His playing is a perfect combination of singing and instrumental styles. He has performed at concert halls and musical festivals all over the world. Ustad Shahid Parvez teaches regularly at the Sitar School of Toronto. Let me introduce before you Ustad Shahid Parvez. Padma Shri U. Srinivas. Shri U. Srinivas astonished the Carnatic music lovers as a child prodigy when he enchanted the audience with his awesome debut at the event of Shri Tyagaraja Aradhana Festival. He made the people surprised, produce classical ragas of Carnatic music on mandolin. Mandolin is a string instrument which has fascinated Shri U. Srinivas at the age of 6. It was his father's guru, Shri Subbaraju, a worthy disciple of the legend Shri Chambai Vaidyanath Bhagwata, who initiated him into the world of Carnatic music. His radiant performances made the music lovers all over the world spellbound. A worthy recipient of nation's prestigious award Padma Shri, Sangeeta Chudamani, Nada Sudhanidhi, Kalei Mamani, Asthana Vidwan of Kanchi Kamakodi Pidam, Sangeeta Kalamrita are some amongst. Let me introduce you Padma Shri U. Srinivas. Vidwan Tanjore Muruga Bhupati. He is a disciple of T.R. Srinivasan and Tanjore Ubendran. He has widely traveled abroad and has given accompaniment to the artists of world renown. Let me introduce before you Vidwan Muruga Bhupati. Kumari Chandra Prabha. She is an MSc first year student of Alvas College and she is on Tanpura. Let me introduce before you Kumari Chandra Prabha. Pandit Ravindra Yaugal. Shri Ravindra Yaugal, whose gracious presence adorned the stage yesterday, was initiated into music by his father, Shri Ramachandra Yaugal, at the age of 4. Later, he studied under Pandit Sheshagiri Hanagal, a well-known tabla artist from Dharwad, a postgraduate in music from Indira Kala Vishwavidyalaya of Madhya Pradesh. He is one of the most sought-after tabla players in the country. He has been recognized as a soloist and as a sensitive accompanist. He has accompanied more than a few top-ranking vocalists and instrumentalists in the world of Indian classical music. Shri Ravindra has received honors and felicitations from several organizations for his valuable contribution to the field of music, notable of which is the Rajyotsava Award conferred by the Karnataka state government in 1995. Presently, he is working in All India Radio, Bangalore, as a selection Grade 1 artist and has been rendering valuable service to the institution for the last 20 years. With this brief introduction, I leave you in the company of these wizards of music for some joyful moments, and over to them. Ladies and gentlemen, I am persuaded. That was an astounding presentation, and you are lost in the profound experience of musical mystery. Now may I request our much loved chairman, Dr. Mohan Alva, to present the remarkable Virasat mementos to the artist. Padma Shri U. Srinivas. Ustad Shahid Parvez. Ustad Shahid Parvez. Padma Shri U. Srinivas. Pandit Ravindra Yaugal. Pandit Ravindra Yaugal. Vidwan Muruga Bhupati. On behalf of Alvas Education Foundation, I profoundly thank the gifted musicians for giving us a glimpse of their divine melody. I also request the eminent gathering to applaud them. Thank you very much for permitting us to entertain you. Please stay back to be enchanted with the traditional Kathak dance performance. For the time being, it's Dr. Rajesh Gobinathan bidding you the adieu. Good evening to you.